Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. 11 8 5 2 dash dash dash. 11 8 5 2 to minus 150. A is equal to 11. D is equal to second term 8 minus first term 11. AN is equal to minus 150 is equal to subtraction minus 3. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is minus 150 is equal to A 11 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 3. Minus 150 transfer plus 11 we get minus 11 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 150 minus 11 minus 161. Transfer multiple minus 3 we get divisible minus 3 is equal to N minus 1. Minus minus cut. 161 by 3 is equal to N minus 1. 161 by 3 plus 1 is equal to N. 161 plus 3 164 by 3 is equal to N. 164 not divisible by 3. Therefore minus 150 is not term of APs.